Hi, welcome to the CloudFiler video. What we're going to do today is show you some technology and show you how easy it is to drag and drop documents out of MYOB Document Manager straight to the cloud. Just a couple of points on the right hand side there. First thing is Privacy Act makes it pretty clear that we shouldn't be emailing anything to our clients with a tax file number. Second point is CloudFiler technology you're going to see is all about creating a shared filing cabinet in the cloud for both you and your clients to interact. The security on the portal that we're going to look at is bank level security. In fact, it's hosted in the same data center as the Commonwealth Bank servers, or some of their servers. I'm not going to show you the Paperbuster technology and how it feeds all of your ATO documents into the cloud. There's another video on that. But the main point here is that your accountants, managers, anyone using MYOB can safely drag and drop documents from MYOB straight to the cloud. Enormous time savings, and you know, that can run in the tens of thousands of dollars, and it also gets you ready for the changes coming from the ATO. Enough of the theory, let's have a look at how it works and show you a practical example. Okay, let's have a look how CloudFiler works. The principle is really simple. We have our MYOB database sitting over here with all our names, addresses, and all of our information in AE. What we basically do to set up the shared filing cabinet in the cloud, ready to use CloudFiler, is in MYOB, we go to our Extras tab, and you can see on the screen here, once I click on the Extras tab, there's a question that says portal yes or no. I've got the Nimbus portal set to yes. What that does automatically is it goes and creates, let's draw the cloud over here, it goes and creates an account for the client linked to your AE database, so everything's coming out of AE. And once it's set up, it sends a welcome email to the client, letting them know that the portal's now set up and they can go to your website anytime they want, log in and access any of the files that you've uploaded, or they can also upload files themselves. So the beauty here is, all you need to do is change that no to a yes for portal in AE, and we've synchronized the AE database with the cloud. There's no data entry, everything is being synchronized. You change anything in AE, it's changed automatically in the cloud as well. So it's that easy to get the portal set up for the client, ready to use CloudFiler. Okay, let's have a look how easy it is to use CloudFiler. Clients rang us up, need a copy of their 2007 tax return. We can't email that because of the Privacy Act. We don't want to print it and send it out. All we do is highlight the client in our MYOB here, which is Affordable Legal. Move our mouse to the left-hand side and click on CloudFiler. It launches the CloudFiler, and you'll notice when CloudFiler opens up, it's made up of 3 panels. The left-hand side is the cloud, so that's your website. When we drag documents across and drop them on the left-hand side of the screen, they automatically get transferred straight up to your website, and the CloudFiler attaches to your website via Nimbus. In the middle, we have a list of all your documents sitting in Document Manager 4 or within MYOB, so we can scroll through. We can see down the bottom, or halfway down, there's our 2007 tax return. On the right-hand side of the screen, we get a nice preview of the tax return. So in this particular case, if we want to upload it to the cloud, we click on it in the middle there, hold down our button, drag it across to 2012 or previous years, let go, and the document is now uploaded to the cloud, nice and securely using bank level security. So you can see on the left hand side of the screen, 2007 tax return has now been transferred straight to the portal. The client will, the minute the document arrives in the cloud, an email is automatically sent to the client letting them know that you've uploaded the tax return, and your client can go to your website, log in, and they can actually see the tax return. And we'll have a look at what your client sees. Now we've seen how easy it is to transfer a document from MYOB AE. Okay, now we've seen how easy it is to drag and drop documents from MYOB to the cloud. What does your client see? Well, that's easy. They get an email notifying that you've dragged and dropped the file that we did before into the cloud. They can either go to your website and log in, or they can just click, there's a nice shortcut here to take them straight to Nimbus, to the portal. They click on that button. All they have to do is put in their login code, put their password in, and they're now logged into the portal. You can see on the home page there we've got some shortcut links for them to some of the tools that we help them or they use so they can get there quickly. All we have to do is move our mouse down the left hand side of the screen to My Folders. It opens up the folder area. There's two parts to it, from Drost & Associates to Drost & Associates. So if the client wants to upload a file, they can just click on the upload button. In this case, they just want to grab a copy of their tax return. So they go down to previous tax returns and financials, and you can see sitting there is the 2007 tax return that we dragged and dropped out of MYOB before. The beauty here is your client's going to your website and logging in or logging in off the shortcut. It's all bank level security. It all sits here. Whenever they need to come in and look at any files, they simply log in and they've got full access. So what you can see from what we've done so far is how easy it is to drag and drop securely documents out of MYOB and deliver them to your clients via the cloud. Okay, so thanks for having a look at CloudFiler. If you need any more information, you can go to cloudfiler.biz or paperbuster.com.au. We've got our full contact details on there. Just click at the About box. CloudFiler is part of the Paperbuster range of products with the ATO Paperbuster and Nimbus and so forth. So please go to the website and have a look. Contact us and we can organise a webinar for you. We can have a look in the office, book